Speaking of yung adopting Senator Amy sa kabila, may mga kwento kahapon over sa social media na baka i-adopt na rin po si Kiko Pangilinan at si Bam Aquino dito po sa alyansa. Ano po yung take nyo dyan? Kasi nga sabi nga nila, in politics, there are no permanent enemies, just permanent interests. Do you think that is a possibility na talagang parang nagka-gulo-gulo na eh?
Yeah, definitely.
Unipink daw yung pangalan. Unipink. Imbis na dilaw, dati di ba parang kakampink? Oh, tapos ngayon may Unipink, no? Oo. Ano yung chances po nun? Is that wise?
Well, I think there is a big possibility, but of course, I think more than the camp of BBM, I think the decision really will rest largely on the camps of Senator Pangilinan and Senator Bam Aquino, because I think on the part of the president, he is always welcome, or he's always very welcoming doon sa mga gusto mga sumanib or makipag-unite sa kanya. Kaya nga meron tayong coalition basically, no? And at the same time, parang centrist yung nagiging approach dito ng ating Pangulo, because you don't really want to rally, a bigger number of supporters para kalabanin talaga yung solid na voter base naman ng mga Duterte. So of course, siyempre alam naman natin, you need to mobilize a greater part of Luzon, because a good deal of Visayas in Mindanao right now, especially Mindanao, is very much in favor of the Duterte. So kinakailangan talaga na makapag-cover ng mas maraming geographic areas ng alyansa ang ating Pangulo. And I think he will be more than welcome to the idea na ipasok nga itong mga tiga-Liberal Party. But the question is, whether the Liberal Party people are
open,
appreciative of the idea.
Actually, si Toby Tiangco nga has spoken. He already debunked
but
yung reports na yan.
Pero ako kasi...
Ito nga si Bam Aquino daw at si Kiko Pangilinan ang papalit kay Amy at kay Camille.
Yun na
si
nga.
Camille, kahit absent na siya nung mga
binabanggit pa rin siya.
Campaign sorties, hindi pa siya inaalis
Ako naman,
sa alyansa.
even if Toby has said that, I do not...
You're open still to the possibility.
Kasi at this point in time, anything can happen eh. Parang you say 1, 2, 3 today, tomorrow it's already XYZ. So until it ain't over till the fat lady sings, ika nga sa akin.
I agree with that.
Okay.
Sabi nga natin, politics is the art of the possible, and anything could definitely happen. Yun nga dating akala natin na hindi mabubuwag na samahan ng Duterte at Marcos, bigla na lang nag-vanish into thin air just like that.
Let's get together. Sunday 25. Sunday 25.